Learning English spellings can be a fun adventure. Imagine turning your spelling practice into a game. Picture this: you take a word like accommodate and break it down into silly images. Visualize two C's as two cats cuddling, and the M is a mountain they're climbing. Suddenly, spelling becomes a story. Another innovative method is using rhymes. For instance, necessary can be remembered with one collar and two sleeves are necessary. It's catchy and sticks in your mind. And let's not forget technology. Use apps that turn spelling into interactive quizzes or flashcards. You can challenge friends or even compete against yourself. Finally, try writing words in the sand or with colorful chalk. The tactile experience reinforces memory. Learning spellings doesn't have to be boring. It can be a creative journey that sparks joy and curiosity.